Hi friends, I'm back with this new video. In this video I'm going to show some special best poses for boys. Okay, there are different categories like sitting pose, portrait pose, standing pose, chair poses, bike pose. There are 5 categories and I hope you really enjoy this video. Watch till the end so you can also learn some new poses from this video. If you already seen these poses, don't worry, simply watch and watch till the end. If you are first time watching this channel, tap on subscribe button and tap on bell. Okay, whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification like these amazing videos and some photo editing tutorials. Now let's check in video without wasting time.